Model, 55-plate Renault Master Burstner Dolphin 680 Motorhome Top Spec 56K miles. Wow. Body, white, Motorhome. Mileage, 57,441. MOT, the 18th of April 2025. Engine, 3000 cc. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary: none runner. The head gasket needs replacing. The coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking. If you try long enough, it will eventually start and run, but not very well. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear camping area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, air con, 2 keys. This is an absolute beauty, and there is another one on eBay for £28,000, which is the lower model. Do your own maths. Grin. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.